डियर फ्रेंड्स, हम लोग यूनिट्स एंड मेजरमेंट्स का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। उसमें 2.13 क्वेश्चन देखा जाए 2.13। ओके, क्वेश्चन में ये रहा, कोई भौतिक राशि P चार प्रेक्षण जो राशियों A, B, C तथा D पर इस प्रकार संबंधित है। P = a क्यूब B स्क्वायर बाई √c × D टर्म्स ऑफ 1%, 2%, ये हो गया। A, B, C तथा D को मापने में प्रतिशत त्रुटियां 1%, 3%, 4% तथा 2% है, 2% है। राशि P में प्रतिशत त्रुटि कितनी है? यदि उपर्युक्त संबंध का प्रयोग करके P का परिकलित मान 3.763 आता है तो आप परिणाम का किस मान तक निकटतम करेंगे? ओके, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन इन इंग्लिश। हाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड एनी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी P is related to four quantities A, B, C and D, such that P is equal to a cube B square by √c × D. Here A, B, C and D is measured with the errors 1%, 3%, 4% and 2%. Quantity in quantity P there is a percentage त्रुटि. It is of what value? If above relation is used to calculate the value of P and we get 3.763, then to what extent we find the nearest value of? To what value should you round the result? Result को to what value should we round the result? We start the solution. We have P as P is equal to a cube B square by √c into D. A cube B square, this is the downside, this will become c to the power -1/2 and D to the power -1. How maximum fractional error in the measurement delta P by P is equal to 3 into delta A by A, okay, plus 2 into delta B by B plus 1/2 into delta C by C plus delta D by D, as delta A by A is equal to 1%, delta B by B is equal to 3%, delta C by C is equal to 4%, and delta D by D is equal to 2%. Okay. Therefore, delta P by P is equal to, here 3 into 1%, okay, plus what we have written, 2 into 3% plus half into 4% plus 1 into 2%. So this becomes 3%. This becomes here 6%. Here it will be divided. This becomes 2%. This becomes 2%. Total it becomes 13%. If P is equal to 3.763, then delta P is equal to 13% of P is इक्वल टू 13 इंटू 3.763 बाई 100। 13 3 39 कैरी 3, 13 6 78 3 81 कैरी 8, 13 7 91 8 99 कैरी 9, 13 3 39 plus 9 48. Point we will place 3 digit plus 2 digit 5 digit. Here point is coming. Okay. Here rule is that rule I am writing as the error lies in the first decimal place, the answer should be rounded. Answer should be rounded off to the first decimal place. Okay. Therefore, we shall express the value of P after rounding it as 3.8. Okay, that is the solution of our question. Okay, now I am going to solve the question number 2.14. Okay, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, एक बुक में, एक पुस्तक में छपाई की अनेक त्रुटियां हैं जिसमें आवर्त गति कर रहे कण के दोलन गति की विस्थापन की 4 समीकरण दिए गए हैं। हमें बताना है कि उसमें से कौन सही है। तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ पार्टिकल हैज द गिवन इक्वेशन। ओके, डूइंग द periodic motion we have to rule out wrong formula on the basis of dimension analysis. Okay, the question will be flashed for you. Now solution I am writing. Solution. Okay, by dimensional analysis. Okay, analysis we know that what we know that an equation must be dimensionally homogeneous. A equal to a equation के y equal to a sin 2 pi t by t given. Okay, so we have to find the dimension of both the sides. Okay, so here LHS is equal to y. Okay, y its dimension will be L. Okay, and RHS is equal to, sine has no dimensionless thing. A will have L dimension and 2 pi t. It means here becomes t by t. Okay, so this also becomes L. Since LHS is equal to RHS, therefore the formula is correct. ये correct formula है. Okay, so we are trying to find out, हम पता लगाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं कि इक्वेशन करेक्ट है या नहीं है। तो इक्वेशन जो है वो डिस्प्लेसमेंट के लिए दिए गए हैं फॉर ए बॉडी विच इज अंडरगोइंग पीरियोडिक मोशन, आवर्त गति में चल रहे वस्तु के विस्थापन के मतलब डिस्प्लेसमेंट के बारे में इक्वेशन दिया गया है। तो बी नंबर इक्वेशन 2.14 वी आर सॉल्विंग। B number question. Okay, we are finding the solution. B number question, it is given y is equal to a sin vt. Okay, so here LHS is equal to y. Okay, y, this means we are getting the dimensional formula L. Now RHS is equal to what we will get here. A will be measured in L sin. Okay, V means dimension of V is L t minus 1. Okay, and this t is measured in t. Okay, so this becomes here L into sin. L into, suppose I am writing sign like this, so this becomes sin. What we are getting, sin t minus 1 and t plus 1, it becomes 0. T power 0 means t cancel. Here becomes L. So we are seeing that LHS not equal to RHS. हमने देखा कि LHS RHS बराबर नहीं है ना. तो this equation is not dimensionally same, homogeneous नहीं है, homogeneous. Okay, homogeneous means same dimensional formula आना चाहिए. So this is a wrong equation. Okay, this is a wrong equation. Now we are coming to the equation number C. Okay. Okay, C number, y is equal to a by t sin t by a. We are going to find out here LHS is equal to y. This becomes L. Okay, we can also put it in this square bracket. After that RHS we are going to find out, and RHS is coming a by t means here a is measured in L by t. Okay, this is becoming, and sin, here sin we are writing t by a means this measured in capital T by L. Okay, after that इसके बाद हमें क्या मिला, तो RHS में मिला here L t minus 1 into sin t L minus 1. Okay, so this means here since LHS not equal to RHS. Okay, dimensionally not equal, dimensionally. Okay, not equal. So the equation okay is wrong. ये wrong हो गया. Now we are coming to the question number D. So this equation is D is equal to y is equal to a root 2. Okay, here sin 2 pi t by t plus cos 2 pi t. This is written here, but I am writing 2 pi t by t. यही हम लिख रहे हैं. Okay, here y LHS is equal to what? LHS we are getting L. Okay, and RHS we are getting a root 2. Means here a gives L. Okay, and root 2 has no dimension, less thing. And after that where we are getting sin 2 pi t by t. 2 pi has no dimension. T by t, it means becomes t capital by t. Okay, plus cos t by t. Okay, so this is dimensionless, so it becomes L. Since sin t by t and cos t by t are dimensionless. ये dimensionless है. Okay, so therefore LHS is equal to RHS, so this is correct. This is correct. This is a correct. This is a correct equation. Okay, because it becomes finally L. It becomes finally L. Okay. Today, thanks. We will meet in the next work with the new type of explanation with textbook explanation, because textbook की व्याख्या करना आवश्यक हो गया, because the new education policy has been given a great change. बहुत बदलाव आ गया. Okay.